Broken knob? I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace this timer knob on this Whirlpool dryer. This also applies to some other Whirlpool brands such as Kenmore, Amana, Maytag, and more. It's really simple, so let's do it. If you need to purchase a timer knob for your Whirlpool dryer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. Your timer knob assembly allows you to switch and choose between different drying cycles on your console. If your knob becomes broken or damaged, it will be difficult or impossible to set the timer on your dry cycle. If your knob is still connected to the timer, simply pull the knob with firm and steady pressure. The knob should slide off the timer switch. If it is difficult to grip your broken knob, you can slide something like this paracord behind the knob and use it to slowly pull the knob off. You want to be sure that after your knob is off, the D-shaped metal ring, called the control knob clip, is not on your timer switch control arm. Often, if you're having trouble installing your replacement knob, it is because your knob broke, leaving this retention clip behind. Your new knob from Parts Doctor will have its own retention clip already installed inside the knob. If you still need to purchase a new timer knob assembly, make sure you get a manufacturer certified replacement part like the one we sell on our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from your tag on your dryer to make sure you get the correct part. The timer control arm is shaped like the letter D to assure that you install the knob in the proper orientation. Once aligned, apply steady but straight on pressure until the knob is fully seated on the control arm. Now, your timer should operate as normal. And that's it, you've completed the repair. We love to hear your success stories, so if there's any hints, tips, or tricks that you found along your journey, throw them down in the comments. And if this video helped save you money, please consider liking and subscribing to help the next DIYer down the road. I'm Dustin from Parts Doctor, and until next time, thanks for watching.